Stop wasting thousands of rupees on expensive creams. Because today, I'm going to show you a powerful homemade rice cream that costs less than 50 rupees, but gives results like 5,000 rupees products. And this is not just about brighter looking skin. This 7-day challenge can help improve dullness, uneven tone, and even the appearance of acne marks. Let's start. And make sure you watch till the end, because one small mistake can reduce your results. Now let's understand why this works. Rice contains ferulic acid and allantoin, which help improve skin texture, repair the skin, and enhance brightness. But to make this even more powerful, we're adding licorice root. It contains glabridin, which helps reduce dark spots and uneven skin tone over time. Now let's make it. Step 1. Take 3 tablespoons of rice. Soak it overnight in rose water. Step 2. Next day. Blend the soaked rice with a little milk. Then strain it to get smooth rice milk. Step 3. Now cook this liquid on low heat until it becomes thick, like a custard. Step 4. Now comes the booster. Add half a teaspoon of licorice powder, 1 teaspoon glycerin, and 2 vitamin E capsules. Step 5. Finally, add aloe vera gel and mix it until it becomes soft, smooth, and creamy. How to apply? Apply this cream every night, before sleeping, using gentle circular motions. Within 7 days, you may start noticing your skin looking smoother, more hydrated, and brighter. Storage. Store this cream in the refrigerator and use it within 7 to 10 days. Remember, this is not an instant miracle. Results depend on your skin type, and always do a patch test before using any DIY product. So try this 7-day challenge and see the difference yourself. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe, and comment below. Are you ready to try this?